Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to create a new material to the Tekla catalog and more importantly, how to share it to someone. So Tekla by default has some of the materials in its catalog, in its material catalog. There are some steel catalogs, concrete, timber and some miscellaneous. So what if we want to add something new? Like this add stainless steel. Now I'm going to add a new catalog. So copying. I'm just renaming it like 316 SS, which is stainless steel, and click OK. Okay, it's newly added. So save changes. Yes. So now I can see whenever I select a beam, go to the properties, and whatever material I newly created is added here. But if someone opens this model, like when I share him the DB1 file or something, he can't get this. Or what if I want to get the same material to some another model? So we have two options for sharing this. First one, see basically all the default catalogs are saved in your C drive in your My Computer. But whenever you add something new, go to your model folder and search for matdb. So this file, you see it's just created just now. So by default, your new model do not have this, but whenever you add a new material to your model, this one will be automatically created. So if you want the same 316 SS or whatever catalog you created, you just copy this and paste it in your model folder, and you will get this material in that model also. This is the way one, and there is another way, which is go to your catalog. There is an option called export option. So you export, you save this to whatever you name. Okay, then open another model in another system or another person. He can just import, and he can import the same file. He get all the material list you have created, whatever you have. So these are the two methods of sharing a material catalog. Hope this. Thank you.